Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to create a simple street map using Photoshop CC 2019. So first of all, go ahead and create a new project. You can use any preset you want, but I will use the A4 size preset because I am going to print this on an A4 page. Alright, so now I will import the rough sketch of the street. Here it is. Now let's adjust it a little bit. Okay, it is good now. Now I will adjust the brush so that it can fit on our road. Don't forget to create the new layer for the brush. Now adjust the size of the brush. That's it. Now I'll use the pen tool to create the path for this road. While creating a path, try focusing on the curves and don't take very sharp turns. Use the selection tool and right click on the path that you just created and select the stroke path and use brush and click OK. Now do the same thing again so that the road looks pretty dark. I will delete the stroke path. Perfect. Now I want to create the lines in between the road. So I will use the line tool to create the shape of a line. Now create a simple line, we can adjust the size later. Now I will use the white color for both stroke and fill to give this line a white color. Now press Ctrl+T to transform the shape. Now you can play along and adjust it as per your needs. Okay, now I will duplicate the shape layer to continue the lines on the road. Again, Ctrl+T to transform and adjust it as you want. Now I will speed up the video to not waste a lot of time. Okay, so now in between lines are finished. Now hold shift and select all the shape layers of the line. Press Ctrl+G to create a group. Oh, I forgot to select the main layer of the road, so select that and create a group. Rename the group so it should be easy to find it later. So now that our main road is complete, I need another road a little smaller than this one. I will just duplicate our current layer of the road and rename. Now press Ctrl+T to transform and place it wherever you want. Now that our road sketch is complete, I will select the layer 1 of the first road to open the layer style window. I will just check and use the stroke and drop shadow to create a nice outline and great shadows for this road. Now I will do same for the layer 1 of the second road. Double click, check the stroke and drop shadows, and that's it. Okay. Now the first thing I will do is just delete this first line of the second road. Select the last shape layer of the line and press delete. Now I will use the brush tool to fix these white lines and merge both roads. Create a new layer for the brush. Use the soft brush, adjust the size and pick the color using color dropper. Alright. Now I will make the arrows to show the direction using brush tool. Now open up the brush settings and use care and try using a hard brush. Now you will see a spacing slider down there in the brush settings. Increase its value. I will use the black color for this brush. Create a new layer. Now hold shift and use left click to draw the line. Now go back to brush settings and use a hard circle brush. Now I will use the pen tool to draw the tip of the arrow. Right click, select stroke path, brush and OK. Now again I will speed up the video to speed up the tutorial. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.